Hi, this is Annie with Family Homesteading in West Texas. Today I'm going to talk about seeds and I'm going to organize my seeds. It's the beginning of January and it's the coldest week we'll probably get all winter. So who is even thinking about seeds or planting? Well, I do. I find it's very important that we have a plan early on for the growing season. I had a couple of times where I thought I had a certain seed and then when I was ready to plant it, I actually didn't have it, or I had ordered it a couple of days or a week ahead of time, and then the shipping took longer than I had expected it. So this year, I am getting a head start by organizing and ordering my seeds in time. And I hope that you'll get encouraged to do the same. Hi, friends. So today, I'm going to go through my seeds. You see, I have this whole basket full of different seeds. It's not very organized or not organized at all. And it's very hard to see what I need to order for this year and what I still have. So I'm going to use this binder. This is a 3-inch binder. And I ordered these little pockets or sleeves off of Amazon that you can put uh, for a package in each sleeve. And then I also got these little seed packets that I'm going to use for the seeds that I collected myself from the garden. And these are paper packets. I can write on here what it is. And then I'm going to organize it. And that way it should be much easier for me to see what I have and what I need to order for this next growing season. Okay, so I've got all the seeds out of the box that I've got, and I'm going to lay them out in the order I want to put them into the binder. So I've got some spinach seeds. That's a cold season crop, so I'm going to just put that with other cold season crops. There's more spinach seeds here. Cabbage is one of the cooler season crops. I've got lots of marigolds. And these are seeds I got from the dollar store, so I'm not sure how good of a germination I will get from those. Cilantro, also a cold season. Carrots, I do plant them early. And peppers. These are herbs. I'm going to put the herbs aside for another category. Kale. What even is this? Fennel. Cold season parsley. More spinach. I didn't know how much spinach I have. See, that's why I need to organize my seeds so I know what I have. Lettuce. And this one goes with the herbs. And these seeds are quite a few years old. So these are beans. More beans. And these are also beans. And then I have a lot of basil seed. They won't go in the binder. Pumpkin seed that I got from the garden. And then this whole box full. This is flaxseed. More pumpkin seeds. This looks like cantaloupe seed. I think that's what it is. They will go in one of those little packages I got. And a chicken salad. This looks like a lettuce seed. So that would go with this. Empty package. Sugar snap peas. And there should be a name on this. It looks like cantaloupe. Let's see. Honeydew. Honeydew melons. Okay. Put them in one of those little packages later on. And then we have peppers. Here. Peppers, beets, tomato, kale, somewhere in this line. Tomato. I think these are tomato as well. Put the tomato there. Sweet basil. Okay, cucumber. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to order more cucumber seeds. Jade snap peas. Yep, I've never tried these. It's going to be the first year planting them. Peppers. tomato, more tomato, hot peppers, more tomato, jalapenos, Hungarian wax, more peppers, peppers. Oh boy, I didn't know how many pepper seeds I had. More peppers, beans, lemon balm, that would go with the herbs, tomato, loofah. I tried planting loofah last year, but that somehow didn't work out. It didn't germinate. Placing cucumbers, squash, summer squash. Oh, both summer squash, the crookneck and dark zucchini. Okra, rhubarb, tomato, sugar snap peas, lovage, rosemary, peppers, and okra. This is the Clemson spineless okra that I planted last year, and I did really like them. I think I have some seeds that I collected from our plants. Turnips, more pepper, beets, and that's it. So these are seeds that my mom gave me, and I'm not sure what exactly is in here. And also, I'm not sure how old these seeds are. I am not sure what this is. This is rhubarb. There's no name on here. I believe this is some kind of squash. Sweet corn. Beans. Sweet pepper, more beans. Sweet pepper, more beans. And another pepper. It looks like I might not have to buy pepper seeds for a very long time. Tomato. Tomato. Husk tomato. Straight neck squash. There with the squash. Huckleberry. No idea what that is. Alright. Okay, so let's get all these seeds packaged in my pretty paper packets that I ordered and label them, and then we'll get them organized in the binder. Okay, so I've got my seeds separated, and the way I want to organize them in a folder is by in what order I plant them. So I'm going to put everything that I'm planting in January on the first page, if you want to call it that. And that would be all the cold season. Like, well, tomatoes aren't cold season, and they'll come right after this, but I'll still plant tomatoes in January. But lettuce and kale in spinach, cabbage, and all those are the things that I'm planting in January, maybe around the 20th. So they will go on the first page. And then right after that, I'm going to do tomatoes, since that's going to be also something I'll be planting in January. I can even fit 2 in here. So these are the same thing, and that's actually pretty good. So I can fit 2 in there, and it takes up less of the pockets. And this is also a spinach, but it's a different variety. So I'm still going to put it in, and I can still see that I have another one behind there. So I totally like this idea. So right below the spinach here, I'm putting my lettuce, and I have, I think, 2 or 3 different kinds of lettuce. And same here, I'm going to put 2 in the same pocket. And then I also have some lettuce seeds that I got from my garden. This is the butterbush lettuce. I'm going to stick that into the next pocket. So these little bags that I ordered, they are a little bit smaller than these pockets actually are, but I can still fit them in there. So that still works. So I will not put seeds on both sides. I could, but then I will have to pull out the bags to actually read the directions on the back side. So I will just do one side. So this side I can see what it is. And here I don't need to take out the bags. I can just read all the instructions that I need to read on there. So that's pretty neat. Next will come the cabbage, beets, turnips, and all those cool season crops. Okay, I've got my seed binder organized, and I didn't realize how many seeds I actually had. I have a lot. But it also makes it very handy for me to see what I need to order. So I need to order more cabbage. I wrote it down in my little booklet here. And I also need to order carrot seeds, cucumbers, and I prefer the Cool Breeze cucumbers. They are never bitter. And so far I've only found one company in the United States that sells these seeds, and that is Redemption Seeds. Let me see if I can find the package, and I'll show you what the package looks like. So Redemption Seeds has very beautiful packages, and it's the Cool Breeze cucumber seed. I've planted it for many years, and they never disappoint me. I also need to get some summer savory, which is an herb that I haven't been able to get for 2 years, I think. I had some old seeds and it didn't germinate. So those are so far the only ones that I think I need to order. So I'll get those ordered, and I am super excited about this next growing season. We have about 2 to 3 weeks left before we will start planting onions in the garden. I just placed my onion order for onion starts yesterday, and we will be planting them in February, beginning of February. And I'm so excited. Yeah. We'll see you next time. Bye.